everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a relatively quick video for you today. It did help that I pre-cut some of these papers. I am going to rough up the edges on most of them. I wanted to have a little bit of texture there. I add other texture with the at least the dimension that I put behind the butterflies that I'm going to add to this. So this stripe paper was a 12 by 12. I trimmed it down. I believe it is 6.5 or maybe 7 inches wide. And then this arrow paper was 8.5 by 11. That is now 4 by 11. And this piece of dark gray was something that I did have in my kit, but I didn't show because I said that I had a lot of scraps. Well, this is one of them. Now the photo is going to be on this beautiful light pink paper. It's pattern paper. It's very hard to tell, but it looks very nice with this Obed Marshall paper. I believe the pink paper is actually from Maggie Holmes because I think pink and gray look great together. I really love the way it looks. Love, love, love it. And probably because, you know, having girls, I use pink a lot. So yeah, pink looks awesome. I also cut out the butterflies. I showed those earlier in my intro kit. Those are from Amy Tangerine. I cut out one whole strip of them, which ends up being 6. And I found these words. It's like a vacation words, but actually this one isn't. Even though we were on vacation, we had gone to California about 3 years ago whenever my youngest graduated from college, and the whole family was there. It was awesome to be able to celebrate with her. And that was the first time we were all together in a very long time. So it was very nice. Of course, it was pre-COVID. It was in 2018. And I had this funny photo of my, those are the 2 youngest girls. I pulled this tag out because I wanted something a little bit even more neutral to have the butterflies rest on. And I love the way that that looks. And then that is going to be the only thing that I pull out. I decided to title this Beautiful Sisters, and these are from I think Paige Evans. These stickers, they or these letters, they have been around for a very long time. And every time I see them, I grab a pack because I use them all the time, all the time. I wanted to make sure that I mentioned the other ladies in the group, Becky, Kathy, and Dolly. I have put a link to all of their YouTube channels below, as well as the Facebook group, to make sure I encourage you to upload your photo of your page that you made. And if you haven't already uploaded a photo of your kit, if your kit's already put together and you missed that, don't worry about it. You know, it's just another entry for you to win a prize. So I want to give you as many opportunities as you can, you know, to do that. Now, I know a lot of people do this with the butterflies. Like I kind of bend up the wings right at the body of the butterfly. And I put glue only where the body is. And I put foam tape underneath the wings. And if the wings aren't high enough in, you know, to my liking, I add a second layer of foam tape like I've done right here. And I don't always do both sides of the butterfly. And on one of them, I only do the top, which I've never done that before. But, you know, it's whatever, you know, strikes my fancy, and that's what I went with. Now the butterflies, I thought that those were just perfect for this layout. I love this gray as a neutral. I love it. I cannot say it enough. I feel so inspired to make so many pages with this gray. I'm going to have to make sure that I buy more gray paper just because the ideas and the ease of using this paper is amazing. So I I like it better than white, which I use white cardstock a lot, but I really do like the gray. And the gray that I'm using here is a tone on tone as the base, and you can't even tell, but it is. It's one of the first papers that I showed in my kit. All right, I think I'm done here. Nope, I'm going to add some little, um, I guess they're like um, the epoxy. They're like enamel dots, but they're not enamel dots. There's all different shapes in them, and they have very glittery looking circles here. And I add 3 in 3 different areas of, you know what? It looks great. I didn't add any sequins this time around, and that does it. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.